Hello everyone and welcome to Flavorful Cooking. Today I'll be showing you how to make ground beef patties. For this recipe you would need 3 pounds of ground beef, which is 10 to 15% of fat, 2 medium-sized onion finely chopped, half a cup of cilantro finely chopped, 1 tomato finely chopped, 1 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 1/2 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon crushed peppers, half a teaspoon ground cumin, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, and 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. In a large bowl of ground beef, add all the ingredients. Then mix well with hands. Do not overmix. Make patties according to the size of your choice. When done, grill until both sides are done or fry in a little bit of oil on medium heat. Assemble into a burger and enjoy. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, and if you're new, don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, bye bye now.